Now, across the country, this grief is now turning into defiance. People have come together, strongly condemning what has happened. And when I say people, I mean every kind, every caste, every religion, every state, every party. All the opposition parties collectively put together, different parts of the country came in solidarity. Even as I speak, the candlelight march is currently on. From Delhi to Patna, Hyderabad, different parts of India, you had protests, small and large, many of them holding candles, walking in the night to stand together in solidarity with the Pahalgam terror victims. These are images coming in from Hyderabad showing Revanth Reddy and Asaduddin Owaisi, two leaders who led this candle march in Hyderabad, walking shoulder to shoulder. Remember, I said across party lines. So you had the Congress also completely supporting the government's action against the terror organizations, and whatever India decides as a government on the whole, the opposition parties have decided to back it. Of course, a rare image of unity here in a otherwise deeply divided political spectrum. You had all those leaders coming together to condemn this unequivocally. In Patna, you had Tejasvi Yadav leading a silent march with folded hands and a heavy heart. Rahul Gandhi, like I said, joining citizens in Delhi with his candlelit march, standing in somber silence at the India Gate. Remember, these are not just photo ops. This is a message for sure that India is hurting. It's terribly hurting. But this will not break India. And that is for sure. No matter what, who we vote for, we will stand together in this face of terror. The terror cannot fracture the soul of India. Ordinary citizens, school students, veterans, activists, all holding up candles there who joined in these protests, all united by one truth, that violence against the innocents is a crime against humanity. Of course, it's all about the pain that's brought people together and a promise of justice. This is almost a signal also going out to the Indian government that we want justice and we want to avenge the deaths of 26 innocents.
A meeting yesterday with the government, and the united opposition condemned this action and said that we are there to support whatever action the government wants to take. The idea behind what has happened is to divide society, is to make brother fight brother. And it is very important that every single Indian stands united, stands together, so that we can defeat what the terrorists were trying to do.
देखिए, हम लोग जो है पहलगाम पे जो घटना हुई है, इसको लेकर हम लोग जो जिनकी मृत्यु हुई है उनको श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए जो है कैंडल मार्च निकाला है हमारे इंडिया के साथियों ने। और हम लोग चाहते हैं पूरा देश आतंकवाद के खिलाफ है, कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। कल के सर्वदलीय बैठक में भी हम सब लोगों ने सरकार को सहयोग देने की बात कही है कि कठोर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, आतंकवाद के विरोध इनको जड़ से उखाड़ के फेंकना है।
हम उनकी इस वहशियाना हरकत की मजम्मत करते हैं और हम कभी भी उनको दीन इस्लाम का सहारा लेकर मासूम लोगों के कत्ल करने की इजाज़त नहीं दे सकते। हम कभी भी इस बात को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते कि बाहर की ताकतें आकर हमारे हम वतनों की जानों को लें, इसीलिए उनकी मजम्मत करें।